Make a great choice today with the 2016 ProMaster City. The Ram ProMaster City is available in multiple trims and comes with backup cameras, hands-free calling, and low floor heights. The wide variety of configurations allows you to find the right fit for you. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, fourth passenger door, tire pressure monitor, front disc rear drum brakes, tires, front performance, FWD. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Why buy from Palm Bay Ford? We treat you like family and offer the ultimate service after the sale that you just have to experience for yourself. It's car buying made simple with savings up to $9,000. Or shop online and get our best e-price. Invoice minus all rebates and incentives. Plus, the best used car warranty. If it breaks, we fix it. Period. Come to Palm Bay Ford and experience the difference for yourself at Palm Bay Ford.